Good morning, students. Welcome back in my class. Students, in today's class, I am going to teach same lesson 3, which is HTML1 basic HTML elements. Okay, so let's start. Students, in previous class, I have taught about base font tag and its attribute like size, color, and face. Okay, students. Now in today's class, students, I am going to discuss about font tag. Okay, students, the font tag let you change the size, style, and color of text. Students, it is generally used for changing the appearance of short segment of text. Okay. Now, students, font tag is a container element. It means it will be open and it will be closed. And students, the function of font tag is set the font size for text. And attribute of font tag same as base font like size, face and color. And font tag contains students only text and used inside of font tag is text. Okay, so let's see practically use of font tag. Okay, so students, I am going to open HTML code whatever I have made earlier. Okay, see students, this is the HTML code whatever I have made earlier. Here you will see the one paragraph. Okay, now I am going to execute first this code. So right click on this, open with Google Chrome. Okay, now since you will see here the whole paragraph size is same and color is by default black and the font style is Times New Roman by default. Okay. Now since I am going to change font style of whole paragraph, color of whole paragraph and size of whole paragraph with the help of font tag. Okay, so let's see. Strengths, before starting of paragraph, I will use font tag and its first attribute like size. And strengths, you can give any numeric value to size attribute of font tag. Suppose I am giving 7 and after closing of angle bracket I am going to close font tag in the end of paragraph. F-O-N-T font. Okay students, after saving I am going to execute again. See here students, the whole paragraph size is now 7. Okay, and color right now is black by default and the font style is Times New Roman. Now students, I am going to change the color of whole paragraph text. So another attribute color, color, color equal to, students here one notice, you can give any color code, RGB code, whatever I have taught earlier. Okay, for text color, or you can give directly color name. Okay, suppose I am going to give green. Okay friends, now I am going to save it by pressing Ctrl S. Again I am going to refresh. See friends, the whole paragraph color is now changed in green. If you want to give red color, red red, after saving, again I am going to refreshing. See, the whole paragraph color is changed in red color. Okay? Okay. Now friends, I am going to teach about face attribute of font tag. Friends, you can also change font type of the text you are displaying. This can be done by using face attribute. With face attribute, a list of font names is provided enclosed within double quotes. Students, browser firstly tries to find out whether the first font name in the list is supported by it or not. If the first font name is supported by the browser, then it displays the text in this font, whatever first value you are given. Otherwise, it will display the text in the next font name, whatever you are given after comma, the next font name, which is supported by it. And students, if no font name in the list is supported by the browser, during that case, the browser renders the text in its default font. For example, students, here you will see between opening and closing font tag, okay, font face equal to within double inverted comma Broadway, comma Arial and Times New Roman. 3 font style is given to respectively face attribute of font. So browser first execute Broadway style. Okay, and suppose browser not supported Broadway, that time the next value Arial will execute, and suppose Arial is also not supported, during that case Times New Roman will execute. Students, if Arial also not supported by your browser, then it will display the text in Times New Roman, which is generally supported by all browsers. Okay? Okay, students? So, students, let's see the use of face attribute of font tag. Here I am going to give face attribute and its value I am giving Arial, A-R-I-A-L, Arial. And after saving students, I am going to execute again and see. The whole paragraph style is now changed with Arial. And students, suppose you are giving a 3 value to face attribute respectively in double inverted comma, the first Broadway, Broadway font style, comma Arial font style, must to give space after comma, and the next value times New Roman. Okay, students. Now I am going to save again and execute. Students, if my browser is supported the first Broadway font style, then the whole paragraph will affected with Broadway Arial. Otherwise, it's affected with Arial. And suppose both font style will not supported by browser, then by default generally the whole paragraph font style will change in Times New Roman. Okay, so let's see output after rendering. See students, my browser is supported the first font style Broadway. That's why the whole paragraph is now changed with Broadway font style. Okay. So students, this is the font tag. Now I am going to discuss the next tag, horizontal rules HR tag. Okay. Students, horizontal rules give you a way to separate section of your document visually. Separate section. Okay. And students, horizontal rule, it means HR tag is the empty element. It will only open, not to be closed. Okay. It means this is the empty element. And the function of HR tag is break a text flow and insert a horizontal rule. And attributes of HR tag strings must be remembered: first size, second width, third no shade, and fourth color. Okay, so let's see with practically use of HR tag. Okay, here one note students, default size of horizontal rule is 3 pixel and it's contain nothing and used inside body content. So let's see. Now students, I am going to use HR tag in place of font tag. Okay. Students, here I am going to give HR tag. Okay. After closing angle bracket, I am going to save it and again I am going to execute. See students, one horizontal rule is now showing before paragraph. Okay. In paragraph, if you want to give HR tag, here again your paragraph will divided in two sections. After saving, again I am going to execute. See students. Okay. Now students, I am going to use attribute of HR tag. First, size. Okay, size is size equal to, suppose I am giving 10. After saving, again I am going to refresh. See, I am going to increase the value, giving 50. After saving, see, here I am also going to give siz is size equal to 50. Okay, see the effect. Okay friends, this is the horizontal rule and you will see the width of this horizontal rule is this, and this is the size value 50. Okay, now I am going to give color of this rule. For this rule, color color equal to, I am giving green value. After saving, see, okay, and I am going to use next attribute width, width, width equal to 10. After saving, again I am going to execute. See the size. The size is, width is now decreased. When you will increase the value, suppose I am giving 100, after saving, you will see the width will increase. Okay, here you can give more value. Suppose I am giving 500, after saving, see, okay. Now here I am going to give color equal to pink. Okay, okay students, now since this is the HR tag and you have noticed three attribute of HR tag, respectively size, color and width. Okay students, now I am going to finish my topic at here. In next class we will discuss the rest topic of this chapter. Okay, so do the practice and have a nice day.